In this evening's health report, Jamaica Pullen looks at ear infections.
Health report is inflamed. This is usually caused by bacteria. The condition is common in babies and young children. Ear infection often comes with a lot of pain and discomfort.
If a child can verbalize, we'll say that the ear is hurting him or her. So that will give you an idea that there is an ear infection. Sometimes, because a part of the ear is connected to the throat, the middle part of the ear, sometimes a throat infection also exists at the same time as an ear infection. So that will give an idea that that is happening at the time.
Complications from an ear infection include deafness and ear impairment. While most ear infections can heal by themselves, severe forms may require medical intervention.
Ear infections are usually treated by and large by antibiotics if it is a bacterial infection, which most time is the case. When there is a buildup of wax in the ear, which can also lead to an infection, then that child or that person will need disimpaction of that wax. It can be physically or manually washed out or be removed, or sometimes ear drops can be given to help to melt it and remove it from the ear.
Lifestyle choices such as breastfeeding for at least the first 6 months of the baby's life, as well as preventing exposure to secondhand smoke, can help protect your child from ear infections.
But as far as is possible, adults should try and clean the ear, the outer part of the ear that they can see. And if they suspect that something is getting away from them, if the wax is building up and it's causing a problem, they should take the child to the doctor to have the child be seen and assessed.
With their health report, I'm Jamaica Pullen wishing you good health. Health report.